Hi students, welcome back. In the previous class, we learned about the functions of the state. Today, we are going to the theories on the origin of state. First, divine right theory. State is the creation of God. King is the representative of God. King is answerable only to God. Second point, evolutionary theory. State is the product of history. It was formed by social evolution. Third point, social contract theory. State came into existence as a result of a contract by the people. State was constituted for the fulfillment of human needs. Last one, power theory. State came into existence as a result of the establishment of power by the strong over the weak. State started as tribe and tribal administration and later developed as city-state, empire state and feudal state. Today, states are commonly known as nation-states because they are formed on the basis of a feeling of nationalism. Next, state and citizen. Do you know what is this? This is passport. Passport is essential for an Indian citizen to travel outside India. Nationality is recorded in birth certificate, passport, etc. This reveals the citizenship of an individual. Next, citizenship. What is citizenship? Citizenship is the full and equal membership in a nation. Citizenship enables a person to experience political and civil rights. The concept of citizenship gained importance when democracy came into existence. In the execution of administration, democracy ensures the participation of the citizens through political rights. Only the citizens can enjoy the political rights of a nation. Citizenship are of two types, that is, natural citizenship and acquired citizenship. First one, natural citizenship. Citizenship by birth is natural citizenship. Second one, acquired citizenship. When a person acquires citizenship on the basis of the legal procedure of a nation, it is acquired citizenship. Okay students, next we are going to study about political science. The study of state and government started from ancient times itself, as political aspects are connected with man's day-to-day affairs. They need comprehensive analysis and study. Political science came into existence as an area of study connected with state. According to the definition of Aristotle, political science is the study of institutions like state and government. Aristotle gave the name politics to his book dealing with political issues. This is the first book which makes a comprehensive analysis of state. Hence, he is known as the father of political science. The contributions of Socrates and Plato also helped in the origin of political science. The word politics was derived from the Greek word polis, which means city-state. As the democratic system emerged, the concept of political participation also gained prominence. As a result, the study of political processes also became a part of political science. Why study political science? We need to logically analyze and creatively intervene in all public issues. Okay students, it's time to wind up. Today, we discussed about theories on the origin of state, citizenship, and political science. Hope you all understood about today's topic. Thank you.